What's up, guys? Today on Barb Files we have a super in-depth project. We are going to replace the mirror glass on this side mirror on Charles. Flew off one day when we were in the interstate and it's been missing ever since. I haven't fooled with it and finally remembered to order one. There's a part number if you care about it. So we're going to take the supplied 3M style double-sided tape for the install. That's what it came with. So that's what we'll use. I've got a little a little wax and grease remover, paint prep type spray. I'm gonna go ahead and clean off the mounting surface there. So the double-sided tape they gave isn't real thick, and I'm sure you can't notice from that angle, but you have some higher spots and then this is a lower spot. This is a higher spot and a lower spot, so we'll only put tape on the high spots and then we'll clean the back of the mirror glass too, since I've handled it a few times already. Okay. Now it does come with more tape than I think the guy will need to use, which is fine because it won't go to waste. I'm sure I'll find something else for it. So you should have an adequate amount to cover all these high spots. Now, is this the best way to attach the glass? I don't know. But it's the way that the glass manufacturer intended for it to be installed. So that's how we're going to do it, for better or worse. So I'll grab a razor blade. As it will help me separate the green paper. What I will do is check the fitment, since I have not done that yet. Looks like it fits well. We'll just have to make sure we stab it nice and straight the first time. Looks like we'll only get one shot at it. I don't really keep much in the way of fingernails, so this razor blade is a lifesaver. This piece does not desire to be used, apparently. Hey, Jesus tits. Okay. Let's give this a shot. Well, it's not the best fit I've seen as far as how it's cut around the edges, but it's better than no mirror. That much I'm sure of. Now, hopefully it stays. Only time will tell. Tight confines today. The shop's full. Alright, so there we have our install. Like I said, the glass around the edge isn't the best, but isn't the best shape. But there it is, installed on Charles. There you go, Dave.
And here we are, almost a year later, and it's still there, still sitting there, no issues. So the double-sided tape seemed to work.
Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe down below.